Today, I'm going to be talking about the cash-in limit for GrabPay. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what GrabPay is. GrabPay is a mobile wallet that you can use to pay for your Grab rides, food deliveries, and other services. It's a really convenient way to pay for things, and it's also very secure. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. What is the cash-in limit for GrabPay? The cash-in limit for GrabPay varies depending on your country and your account type. In general, the higher your account level, the higher your cash-in limit will be. For example, in the Philippines, the cash-in limit for GrabPay Gold users is PHP 50,000 per day. For GrabPay Platinum users, the cash-in limit is PHP 100,000 per day. In Indonesia, the cash-in limit for GrabPay Gold users is IDR 5 million per day. For GrabPay Platinum users, the cash-in limit is IDR 10 million per day. If you're not sure what your cash-in limit is, you can check it in the Grab app. How to increase your GrabPay cash-in limit? If you want to increase your GrabPay cash-in limit, there are a few things you can do. Upgrade your account level. The higher your account level, the higher your cash-in limit will be. Verify your identity. This will help to prevent fraud and increase your trust level with Grab. Link your bank account. This will allow you to make larger cash-in transactions. What are the benefits of having a higher cash-in limit? There are a number of benefits to having a higher cash-in limit. One benefit is that you can make larger transactions with GrabPay. This is especially useful if you're using GrabPay for business purposes. Another benefit of having a higher cash-in limit is that you can withdraw more money from your GrabPay account at once. This can be helpful if you need to make a large purchase or if you're traveling. Additional tips. You can also use GrabPay to send and receive money to friends and family. You can use GrabPay to pay for bills and other services. You can use GrabPay to invest in stocks and other financial instruments. The cash-in limit for GrabPay varies depending on your country and your account type. If you want to increase your cash-in limit, you can upgrade your account level, verify your identity, and link your bank account. With that said, thanks for watching.